Hey, I'm Bill Bolton from the North Dakota Safety Council. I was privileged and an honor to be the Master of Ceremonies today. And Mr. David Sarkus nailed it. He knocked it out of the park. Our people up here in North Dakota and Minnesota are a little bit quiet, a little bit introverted, but he hit it home run. I mean, I've talked to people in the crowd, and they connected. I mean, the safety coach connected, the empowering of empowering yourself and empowering your people so they do the job. Okay, so they're safety conscious, and being with a safety coach and what love means, and his, the Steve Harvey, and oh my God, and then his story about his dad. I don't usually cry. I'm a big tough fireman, but that hit home. That hit home, and it made me feel, even as a safety consultant for the last few years, that I'm going to go out there and do a better job. I'm going to empower my people, love them a little bit more, and take it to that next step. David, thank you. And thank you, everybody out there. Buy them books, okay? And anytime you can get him in town, take that call. All right, thank you very much.
Best guy we ever brought in.
Best guy we ever brought in.
Best presentation.
All right. Thanks, Alpha. Appreciate it.
That was awesome.
Thanks.
Yeah, take care.
You too.
Hey, I just want to say David Sarkus today spoke this morning for us at our conference. He was our keynote. Unbelievable. We have nothing but great comments from everybody who's came in. One guy even said best conference he's ever been to and the best speaker he's ever had. It made his day to hear David this morning. Very powerful, very inspirational, and very motivational. Highly recommend David, whoever would choose to pick him. And you can't go wrong. Great guy and even a better speaker.